Hello, my name is Greg. I'm come from Slovenia. I visit Istanbul for 2 days for transplantation hair. I choose the clinic İlyas because they have the best doctors for hair transplantation. Come and visit us, you won't regret it.
First, we did the consultation hair and briefing before doing hair transplant. Second, we did the blood test. Third, we cut the hair before doing hair transplant. Fourth, we start the hair transplant surgery with anesthesia. Fifth, we take the donor hair for hair transplant from the back of the head. Sixth, we planting the hair donor into transplanted area with the direct hair implant method. Seventh, in the next day, we put the foam into transplanted area and removing the back bandage. Eighth, we also washing the hair for the first time after hair transplant surgery.